We will incorporate citizens' participation in our approach by putting a high premium on listening to Wanjiko and develop response mechanisms that addresses Wanjiko's views and concerns. We will engage Wananchi in planning and execution of our programs through public participation and at the grassroots level.
We cannot forget the events of about 10 years ago, the so-called post-election violence that precipitated the formation of this commission. I want to believe that no Kenyan wants us to walk that path again. Never. It is therefore your primary duty to build cohesion among the communities in Kenya so that we are all able to live peacefully and ensure that you encourage things that bring us together and discourage those which divide us. I challenge you to ensure that you build a strong institution whose impact will be felt across the country. Ensure also that you put enough bite behind your back. Do not allow yourselves to be ignored by anarchists who will be bragging and saying, watafanya nini? The mandate you have been given by Kenyans is that of ensuring that you bring the communities together. But those who refuse to adhere to peaceful resolution of disputes and want to create anarchy, it is your duty to ensure that they are prosecuted. It is your duty to ensure that investigations are carried out and those people are brought to book. We have suffered a lot because of impunity in various aspects of our society. As you have rightly put it, Mr. Chairman, as we get to the run-up to the elections, general elections, you know the emotions that build. Temper those emotions, and as I've said, if you must, take firm action.